Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Wides Education. Study Wides Super 100 Basic One-Liner GK General Knowledge All Exam Useful 04 Super 100 Indian Economy General Knowledge Important Question and Answer Q36. In which article of the Constitution there is a provision for the Constitution of Finance Commission in India? Ans. In Article 280. Q37. Who is the ex officio chairman of Planning Commission, now Niti Aayog? Ans. Prime Minister of India. Q38. Where is the bank note press located? Answer. In Devas, Madhya Pradesh. Q39. When was the Steel Authority established? Ans. In 1973. Q40. During which 5-year plan period the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, was established? Ans. In the 6th 5-year plan. Q41. What is the form of special drawing rights, SDR, of International Monetary Fund? Ans. In the form of bookkeeping entry. Q42. At present State Bank of India is owned by whom? Ans. In the hands of the Government of India. Q43. International Investment Dispute Settlement Center, ICSID, is related to which international organization? Ans. From World Bank, WB. Q44. What was the main goal of the 9th 5-year plan? Ans. Development with equitable distribution and equity. Q45. In what ratio does the central and state government bear the expenditure on Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana? Ans. On the basis of 75-25.